Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting, answering two questions that you have left me. In relation to a video I made about how the engine oil gets to stain the air filter. You asked me to see if it is bad or is it normal for this to happen, and if it is, that the engine is poorly designed. Well, how I explained it to you in the video I made, when the oil heats up the engine produces vapors. These vapors, here, in this case that I gave you, are expelled through the rocker cover, through the PCV, they reach the air intake, and here, sucked by the lowering of the piston, they are burned in the combustion chamber, that is while the engine is on. When you turn off the engine, there are still vapors here, mainly oil, and what happens is that the engine no longer has that suction, so those vapors, as still they are hot, they move throughout the air intake and get to stain, in this case the MAF sensor, and the air filter. This is answering the question that you have asked me, if it is normal for it to get dirty. But think that does not stain from one day to the next, the dirt accumulates over time. And in response to the other question that you have asked me, if it is because the engine is badly designed. No, the engine is not badly designed. In some they put the air filter further away, and in others closer to the PCV, thinking that everything has its pros and cons. The closer it is, the more efficient, because the air has fewer obstacles and distance to reach the cylinder sooner, and the further away the filter, the more it has to travel and the more obstacles the air can also encounter. But in any case, manufacturers assume that air filters are changed every 20,000 kilometers at the latest, at that time. In any case, if you change them every 20,000 kilometers, you will not have that problem. You will find the filter somewhat dirty, wet with oil, but you change it and it is solved. Another thing that the manufacturers do not tell you, I am telling you, is that when you change the air filter, always remember to use a contact cleaner or MAF sensor cleaner and remove the MAF sensor, the IAT sensor and the MAF sensor and clean them, and then reinstall them. You will notice that the vehicle has recovered power, and when you recover power, you will also see that apart from the increase in power, fuel consumption will drop a bit. Well, here I leave this video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.